Week 7 Etude and Chromatic, the first part of it at least, deals with trying to learn how to play funky rhythms, play in funk, and play 16th note variations that can be rather complex. Before you begin working on this, I think you should go back and take a look at this chart. It's very important that you take a look at this check pattern up here. Whenever you're playing something like this funky exercise, you want to be thinking this in your head, and you want your metronome to be doing this. And if you're not successful at that speed, then what you should really do is take the thing slower. Maybe try to learn it at this speed. So 3E and 4E and 1E and 2E and play this whole sheet down. I like the way these 16th notes line up. If you ever need to figure out counting, you apply them to this chart here. Notice the red arrow in this measure here. This red arrow that covers every downbeat. Then the green arrow on the E covers all the E. Wherever E happens to happen in one of these 16th note rhythms, you'll see that follow the whole way down. Same way with the blue arrow here that goes down to the end, okay? And then the that's all in the 4th 16th note. So I think this is a very, very important page, and this exercise challenges you with even more variations. Like, for instance, we haven't seen this one yet, and we really haven't seen this yet. So we're going to take a look at this counting. I've written the counting in red, but then the purple is almost what I usually, the players you really have to feel this purple stuff. You have to think it in your head. You have to say it in your head. I think of whispering it. So you might count this first measure like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4E and 1 and 2 and 3E and 4E and you might even, on that first measure, you might even count like this: 1 and 2 and 3E and because the E has got to be in there. It's got to be contained in this note. It's very important that the math is accurate on all this stuff. So the purple writing all on this whole page shows you where you definitely have to whisper or feel those beats. Look at measure 4. 1 E E and 1 E 2 E E and You want to feel the 3 in there. 1 E 2 E 3 E and 4 E and why do you need to feel 4 E and to set yourself up for this next measure where you're going to play 1 E E and 4 and now let's take a look at measure 5 and 6. Measure 5 and 6 are almost the same. They're almost the same. Take a look at this. Here's measure 5 on the top. Here's measure 6 on the bottom. The pitches are the same. It's just that this note here, you're going to hold long. That's worth 1, 2, 3 16th notes. Here, you just have 1 16th note and 1 16th rest, and then you're playing this next note already. So the wait time is shorter. The math is just a little bit different. Measure 5 is 1 E E and 4, and listen to it with the check pattern. 1 E E and 4, and here's measure 6. 1 E E E and it's just a little bit different. It's just 1 16th note different, and I put that in there on purpose to challenge you to make sure that you can tell the difference. And it would be really good for you to play measure 5 and 6 like this: 1 E E and 4 and 1 E E E and then do it again a few times. And maybe if it doesn't feel good to you at that speed, take it slower. Let me see if I can make this thing go slower. Yeah. Okay. So here we are, and 1 E E and 4 and 1 E E E and so you want going to place it right over that grid of 16 notes. Remember, the purple stuff, you absolutely have to feel. 1 E, 2 E, 3, and 4, and notice the wait after 3 there. Notice how long I waited there. 1 E, wait, and 4, and now this one's going to be different in 6. It's not this long a wait. 1 E, E, and it's still there. 1 E, measure 6 again. 1 E, 2 E, 3 E, and it's a shorter wait by 1/3 basically, because this collection of notes here, that lasts for 3 16 notes. Oh shoot, there's that thing again. 3 16 notes. Oh boy, wrong 16 notes. It's horrible here with this pen. Whereas this weight is only 1 16th note. And of course, the difference is you play this note long here and you play it short here. That's the other thing we should talk about real quick with this, is that this articulation is supposed to be played short. Not too short, but accented but short. Okay, we call that the caret or the TP. Let's take a look at one more measure that could be a little bit tricky, and that's measure 9. Okay, measure 9 is a lot like measure 1. Bop, 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 right? Dot, dot, do, dot, do, do, do. But the ending, I took that idea and I put a little pause in there. Bop, 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 wait, bop, bop, bop. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and up. Where's the opening measures? Bop, 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 up. So I hope this information helps you. Here's a trumpet playing through, a fake trumpet albeit, playing through this exercise. Here we go. Just 1 minute, okay, making a recording. And I'll stop it there. Then it goes into the chromaticism. So that's how that works. I hope this video has been helpful to you.